Pioneers and Pioneers. Today I'm going to show you how Bill and I grill burgers. We're going to grill out today because the temperatures are pretty cool. I think the high is in the 50s today, even in April. So there'll be a lot less flies. We don't usually grill in the middle of the summer because there's so many flies. That we just don't. But before it gets too hot to grill, I'm going to show you how we grill burgers. I'm going to be using this brand of burgers. They're grass-fed burgers, and I'm going to show you how I season them up, and then we're going to go take them to the grill once they marinate really well. Now the directions on the box tell you that they should be partially frozen when you grill them, which these are. And I'm going to season them up. My plate's probably a little bit too small, but that's alright. It's not a problem. Okay, the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle them with onion powder. Now, if you don't like onions or you're allergic to onions or whatever, don't use this. Then I'm going to use some garlic powder. And I'm just doing this, I'm going to do it on each side, but I'm just going to show you how I'm going to do it on one side. And then I'm going to be using this Lawry's Steak and Chop. This is a really, really good marinade for burgers. And you don't need to add salt and pepper or anything, it's already in here. It is just the easiest thing to do. So, and I put like a tablespoon on one side of the burger. My brain is everywhere today. I've been sewing so much that I feel like I'm brain fried. Okay, so I'm just going to take the marinade and just a heaping tablespoon on each side. And then we're going to take these out to the grill. The noise you're hearing is the power washer. My husband is power washing, do a little bit more, all of our equipment today. It's such a pretty day. Alright, we're going to do the other side and then take these over to our grill. Okay, we're here at the grill. We're going to put the burgers. Bill's going to man the grill. And we're going to put the burgers on the grill. And how long do you cook them, Bill?
9 minutes each side.
And if you like your burger medium rare, how long do you cook them?
9 minutes each side.
I think it's more like 7.
It'll work out. Because I've already started the timer. By the time I put these on.
Okay. And then he turns them once, so we'll be back when we come back to get them off to the grill. Alright, I've got some French fries and some onion rings. These onion rings are the Red Robin frozen ones. My husband doesn't eat onions, so I buy the frozen ones and I just drop them in with. These are hand-cut fries. He likes the steak fries that I cut. So I'm just going to throw them here into the deep fryer. Let me see if I can get a better view for you. And I'm just dropping these in the deep fryer. And they'll cook for 8 to 10 minutes. I've got it on about 375 is the temperature. Okay, we'll get those cooked up and we'll be back. Okay, we're gonna cheese the burgers.
30 seconds. Oh, look at that. Oh.
Okay, 1 or 2 minutes and then we're gonna take them inside. That's your timer. And for those of you that want to know, this is a Pit Boss. And it's the Memphis model.
It has the charcoal.
Yeah, it has charcoal, smoker, and electric side. Okay, we're gonna lift our potatoes out. I'm going to slightly salt them with pink salt. Alright, let's build our burgers. Okay, so now we're going to build the burger. I've got some bacon, and I have tomatoes that I've sprinkled salt and garlic powder on. I have some butter, lettuce, and the burgers are here. And I've got the hamburger buns. And we warm ours slightly. You may not do that. That's okay. I'm going to use, I use real mayonnaise for hamburgers. This is Hellmann's, obviously. And I don't put mustard on my burger. So if you like mustard on your burger, just know I don't. I do not like mustard on my burger. For me, mustard is for hot dogs and tuna salad. That's the only thing I use it for. My husband puts everything on it. Okay, then I'm going to add ketchup. I'm going to have burger. I'm going to have a few pieces of bacon. I'm going to do a couple of tomatoes. I'm going to get some bed lettuce. We like this for burgers because it's really tender. I don't really like to buy iceberg lettuce. There's no nutritional value in it at all, so I don't buy it. And then we're going to get our I'm going to confiscate all the onion rings because Bill doesn't eat them. And the French fries. All right. Let's dive into this. Look at this. Let's see if I can get it all in the camera. Okay. This, my friends, is a really good bacon double cheese. Well, not double. It's just a bacon cheeseburger. And I'm going to try it. So good. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you will join us next time. Please find somebody to bless, and we hope you're all safe, and may God bless each and every one of you. Have a blessed day.